All right, guys, here it is. Here's the Jeep. This is the 2025 4xe Jeep that I got from my wife. This thing is so freaking nice, man. So first, let me tell you what I did to it as soon as we got it. So as I took it home to her, the next morning, I got the windows smoked out. So the window tint is done. The back window on these things are stained. So you'll find that they're a little darker than the front, but I still did 5% on the back. All the back windows have 5%, and then the front two windows have 25. So you can kind of see through the front, but at night, trust me, it is not, you can't really see in it like most tint jobs. So first thing I did was that. And the next thing I did was took it home and put on those step rails. So it didn't come with step rails. It did not come with step rails right here. Those are aftermarket. The tent was $100. These step rails were $120, and I installed them right there in the driveway, obviously. And then I did the LED lights from lasfit. These are super bright. I will be changing out the fog lights as well, but I did the LED headlights. They were much needed because the amber lights just don't hit. Those halogen bulbs, they just are not good, folks. So yeah, window tint, LED bulbs, put the rails on, and taking this bumper off is super easy, man. It's just 6 rivets and then you pull it all forward towards you. So here it is, man. This is the Jeep. I was going to not really show it, but you know, I got enough requests. So obviously you can see I went with the hard top because I didn't want her to have a soft top. The hard top comes off. They give you the little tool to take it off. It's just a little ratchet tool. You take it off. The entire top comes off, and the front two comes off in 2 sections, and the entire back side of that one comes off. So it does have a full-size spare. You can see here, 4xe. And it does have a full-size spare, which is great. This is how you open it up. And you just pop this open. She's got a bunch of her stuff in here, but this thing has a lot of room. It is very nice, lots of room in here. It does have the Uconnect 5 system, just like the Dodge Charger. So if ever we were thinking about that, it has the same, let me just shed it. It has the same Uconnect system as the Dodge Charger, the electric Dodge Charger that I got her. This has the same Uconnect system, so nothing different about that. But yeah, I wanted to shoot a quick video just showing you guys it. This thing is really nice. And this has the 2-liter, and it's also a hybrid. So the fuel on this one is about 350 to maybe 400 on a good day. She's getting about 26 miles to the gallon right now. But here is how you charge it. It takes level 2, and it takes 2 hours and 20 minutes to go from 0 to 100. And even though when this gets to 0, it still has range. So it'll still go into electric mode, like if you're at a stoplight or if you're just cruising slow enough and not enough throttle, it'll stay in electric mode even at 0. Now, in order to open the hybrid cars, if you don't know, most hybrid cars, even my Mercedes, even my 25 AMG is like this. You have to open it from inside of here. So if you look at the dash, you push this right here, and I push it. There you go. It lets you know when it's ready. And it says on here, you can see hybrids have gray gas caps most of the time. So that's where you fuel up at. The electric portion of this, the batteries get about, this truck gets about no more than 28 I've seen so far. Sorry if you hear a train. It's getting ready to rain and I'm about to go home. But this Jeep gets about 28 miles of electric range. And I think you get more than that, like I said, because it'll be in electric mode even though the battery says 0. So yeah, it's really nice. I'll show you the Uconnect system, I guess. But this is a very solid Jeep, and the color is like pearl. It's called Phantom something. I'm metallic. I'm sorry, not pearl, but the color is metallic, some Phantom something. It's like that. It's the same color as After Dark on the Dodge Charger. It's just called Phantom something over here. So it changes from like a green, blue, deep metallic color, and it just flip-flops with the metallic flakes. It's freaking beautiful. She's got her Jeep Wave up here. You got all the little duckies. She had about 30 of them up there at first, but she took them down and got the official mounts for them. So like I said, man, this is the Jeep. I'll show you the Uconnect system real quick, I guess, as I take off here. But this is it, man. This is a beautiful Jeep. Very fast, man. I didn't think this would be so fast. The electric hybrid vehicles are just kind of taking over. I can appreciate hybrid vehicles, and I definitely love electric vehicles, but this is really nice. It's very fast for a Jeep. Very fast. Very fast. So anyway, I'll show you the Uconnect system or whatever, but this is the Jeep, man. This is the Jeep. This thing is absolutely stunning, and it is a beautiful color when the sun is out. And the Jeep itself is a lot of fun for her to drive. It's already got over 1,000 miles on it, and she's been loving it. So 750 of that has been trips that we took to San Antonio and Dallas and Houston. We were everywhere. So the dash is digital. Let me see if I can crank it up here. I don't want it to connect to the phone. It'll cut my phone off. All right, guys, that is in fact what did happen. It connected to the car and the audio went out, but I can give you a quick voiceover. Here's the digital dash, and it's controlled here on the left, and you also have adaptive cruise control on the right. So just going to scroll through the menu real quick here, just to kind of give you a sense of what it's like to look at this dash right here. Very good fuel range on there. So to navigate it, just like any other car, you scroll up and down and left and right. And so you can just see me scroll through this real briefly here. There's a lot in this menu, and I like it. It's very simple, very intuitive, very straightforward. There is nothing more that you would possibly need from this infotainment center or this digital dash here. Because the infotainment center is the same as the Dodge Charger Uconnect 5. So, but this digital dash here is definitely different, and it's way more intuitive than some other cars because it's partial color and partial analog. Other cars that I've driven before, I think it's really nice. No complaints. You can see how much is electric and how much is gas that you've used. So the Jeep has 1,046 miles on it, and almost 302 miles of that is just going back and forth on the electric. The other 740 plus miles came from the trips that we did to Dallas and San Antonio and Houston and San Marcos and all those different places. So like I said before, the Uconnect system is the same as the Dodge Charger. So there's nothing different. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very nice Jeep. And let's see that Jeep wave in the comments section, man. Jeep lovers are deep. Where I live at, there's a big Jeep club. Take care.